Hello world, how are you? Once again back to my channel and once again back to my another content. In this content I'm gonna be sharing with you a very crucial topic. That topic name is the top 5 free tools in learning English speaking and speak fluently in 2026. Please watch my full video and follow subscribe my channel. That's how I'll be able to see my all content even while I'll publish my every single content into my channel, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English speaking journey. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us. This is time for let's begin. Want true English speaking fluently without paying a single penny? I will show you 5 free tools you can start using today. So don't waste your time. Please watch my full video and don't neglect this kind of content. Explain why learning English online is free is easier than ever in 2026. You will get practical examples like and step-by-step tips for each tool. Number one tool is this is called Duolingo. You just need 2 minutes per day. Like this is totally free version for every beginner. Like listening, speaking, and grammar field listen. Example like you just practice 1 minute. I'm hungry, or you can describe about yourself or daily phases in app with this Duolingo app. Spend just 10 minutes daily for consistency because of this consistency will comes after practice. So you must have practice and you must have consistency practice. Number two is this is called a HelloTalk. This is called a HelloTalk. Just need 2 minutes. Like practice English with real native speakers. You must have practice like you are a native speakers. Just like text, voice, pronunciation and correction with accent. Like record yourself saying I'm learning English, or I want to learn English, or I'm very willing to learn this language. You can say, and you must have get feedback. Don't be afraid of mistake because mistake are proof that you are trying. So mistake is a very common issues about any kind of new learning language. And conversation improve fluency. Number three is grammar for 2 minutes. Free tool to correct your sentences and grammar. Like suggest better wording, common mistakes. Example type: I goes to school yesterday. I goes to school yesterday. Corrected to I went to school yesterday. You can tips use it while setting or writing sentences allowed to practice speaking, because you must have practice with speaking, not just writing and not just chat. You must have speaking loudly. That's why you will get your fluency. This is very common issues. Number four is this is called YouTube for real English lessons, like pretty short reels without example and very short lesson with example. You will get more and more sentences in this any kind of YouTube channel. You just search your Google, or you just search your YouTube channel like how can I speak English, or I want to speak English fluently. You can say this like phrases, pronunciation, shadowing practice, any kind of educational videos. You will get this kind of YouTube channel. Like you just practice schedule like a short English sentences like I love learning new things, or repeat 5 to 10 sentences daily for fluency. Number five is this is very common tools right now all over the world, because everyone knows that this is called AI artificial intelligence like ChatGPT.com or like Gemini. You can use any kind of app for to learn new language like English speaking or like Hindi or like Arabic, like French, like Japanese. You will get any kind of free demos for this kind of apps like chatgpt.com. Like ask question, correct your sentences and practice dialogues. Example like chat with AI, hi, I'm learning English. Can you correct my sentences? Or try speaking out loud while setting to improve speaking confidence. Thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content, and I strongly believe that if you can use this kind of 5 apps, that time you will become a more better English speaker. So this 5 apps is too much crucial, and this 5 tool is too much crucial for learning any kind of new language. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't prolong my this content because time is too short. Next time I will connect with you within a short time. Please stay tuned with me if you want to learn English. See you soon with another content.